Prime Materials is a fully stocked chemical distributor that provides quality industrial materials to over 30 different industries, including plastics, rubber, coatings, adhesives, food, and personal care. We deliver quality materials you need and when you need them. As one of the 4 largest chemical and industrial material distributors in the country, we strive to provide the best customer service and to have the materials you need when you need them. Unlike many distributors, we warehouse and store materials based on our customers' needs. This helps us guarantee reliable delivery of what you need when you need it. Family and veteran-owned and operated since 1991, our valued supplier partnerships have allowed us to continue providing quality materials. And our dedicated quality standards apply to all of the products you need. From slips and stearates, plasticizers and processing aids, to process oils, pigments, additives, and more. Please give us a try. Contact us today at primematerials.com.